Hello, we are pleased to introduce our valve bag making machine. This machine adopts advanced hot air welding technology to produce coated PP woven block bottom valve bag, which is suitable for various packaging needs, such as cement bags and fertilizer bags. It is particularly noteworthy that this machine has a maximum production capacity of 140 pieces per minute, easily meeting the demands of large-scale production. At the same time, it is applicable to a variety of laminated PP, tubular fabrics. In terms of operation, the equipment is equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen system. When the machine starts production, operators can also adjust the speed online, making the operation very simple. Additionally, this machine allows for customized valve types, enabling you to choose between inner valves port, outer valves port, and more according to your needs, providing great flexibility for your production. The machine also features an intelligent specification changing system, allowing for quick adjustments to produce woven bags of various sizes, meeting diverse customer requirements. In summary, our valve bag making machine combines efficiency, intelligence, and flexibility,